Are you going to play with this? Here you go. Oh, you just rolled over. Okay, let's roll back over and play with the ball. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl. There now you go. Good job, baby. Oh, you're up on your arms and everything. Look at that. There's a monkey. There you go. Is that fun to play with? Is a monkey?
So much here to learn and see. Why don't you come and play with me?